Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and today I have for you a challenge lock. This challenge lock happens to be pinned by Big Willy the Locksmith. And this is his newest challenge lock sent to me. I have two others that he sent to me that I have misplaced on my desk somewhere. It's amongst all of these locks. I'll have to search them out, separate them, and bag them up in bags he's provided for me, so that's even better. Nonetheless, I was playing around and thought, I better get out the camera so that if I do get into it, I've got it documented. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Peterson 18 thousandths gem, Peterson pry bar, and we will use top of the keyway tension on it. And I think we're going to go right with it. And he's got the key all mummied up, showing that. And we'll just go and look for the first binders. And one's binding, so we'll go with it. Got some definite movement out of two. Go to the back. Got the binder at the end. Alright. Several clicks out of 5. Stirred. Eek! Maybe I overset it. We'll see if anything else gives. Felt like a little counter. Trying to get up on that one a little higher. My silly cat wants it in the shop again. It's gonna make noise and noise and noise until I come and do something about it. I'll start at the back this time with that binder on 5. Time I think it's set. 4 set. 3 got 2. 2 set. 1's loose. So now we're gonna bounce around. Get up underneath 5 again. Is that 5? I think so. There we go. I think we set it that time. Let's see what we got back here. All I was really doing is bouncing on them, trying to feel something out, and I'm not feeling much, so I'm taking chances on some and dropping pins. Namely number 5 back there. Like really bad. There we go, got a little movement on the core that time. It's again 5 back there. This pick doesn't want to get up underneath it. back to my Peterson. Oh, I thought we had it. Oh, yeah, we did. Haha. There we go. That was a fun little pick. Let's get it gutted and see what's Big Willy stashed inside of it for us. I have one of them tools lying around here somewhere, but I guess I like doing stuff the hard way. Okay, now we have since spun it around. Oh, I have a follower. Pins are toward me. Voila. There we go. Looks like he's done some serious love to that. Oh yeah. Lots of mods. Let's see what he's got here. Got a heavily serrated spool, serrated, sharply serrated, and a T-pin serrated spool. And in the core he's got 1, 2, and 4 threaded, and 5 looks undercut. 4 looks undercut. 5 looks chamfered, maybe just threaded. Let's check out what's upstairs. It's a beautifully serrated with a steel spring. Serrated commercial. And then another little steel spring. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. Ooh, got a jumper there. Nice serrated spool. Beautiful. Looks like all the springs are going to be stock, which is fine. Got another serrated there. A stock serrated or commercial, and then a home cut serrated deep with another stock spring. Great job, Willy, great job. Let's see, nothing down upstairs, no. Alright, let's check out these pins, huh? Alright, these beautiful little things. We have here a beautiful serrated spool, and then a serrated very sharp, like with a knife or a razor. And a single serrated, another sharply serrated over here. And get over here. There you go. And then this one is kind of like a ballerina serrated T-pin key pin. And then up top we've got a heavily serrated sharp-ended spool, another serrated commercial, another serrated spool with a T-pin tip, a sharply serrated like with a blade again, and then a heavy spool here, and all of them had steel springs. Wow, what a lock you did there, Willy. I really appreciate you giving me a shot at it. And I thank everybody for joining me. Y'all please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Till we meet again, peace.